Look at this!
That's great, Troy!
Ah! I can't get out!
Morphle, help a Troy! Yeah, but how? Morphle, morph into a helicopter. That way, you won't get stuck in the bushes.
Phew! Thank you, Morphle.
Oh! We've got to go, Morphle. Our class is going on a trip today. I'll tell you all about it when we get back. Okay, bye, Mila.
Morphle, can you help me out?
Okay.
I was working on fixing this hole in the road when our painter just drove into it. I was just driving, and all of a sudden my steering wheel was gone, and I drove straight into this hole. And now I can't get out anymore.
Oh, no! Morphle, help! Now you no fall in the hole again.
Morphle?
Morphle, good helper.
No. The control wheel of my plane isn't here either. Where could it have gone?
Morphle, help you get it done.
Whoa! Morphle? Morphle!
Oh, no! It's the bandits!
We're not just the bandits. We're the steering wheel bandits.
Oh no, without my steering wheel, I can't steer, and we'll hit a tree for sure.
Ah!
I don't want to get stuck in plants again.
Morphle!
Uh-oh.
Ah! Morphle, help! No, Morphle! The bandits stole our steering wheel. We need your help. Ah!
Oh. Yeah, that's not working anymore.
You helped me again, Morphle.
Yeah! Did you help other people as well, Morphle? Morphle did! Morphle, sorry.
That's all right, Morphle. They are very sweet lions. And you found my plane's control wheel. Great!
Okay?
It was a bit chilly up there, but I've never seen the city from up there. I've got so much inspiration for my next painting.
I'm really tired, Morphle. Morphle, too. Can you help me get up to our bed, Morphle? Thank you, Morphle. Morphle, good helper.